Dear students, now I'm going to discuss about the class 10 mathematics, third chapter, which is pair of linear equation in two variables, the exercise 3.3. The question number 3. Let us see what is the question is given in the question number 3. From the pair of linear equation for the following problems and find their solution by substitution method. Some questions given, and using the at first we have to form the equation was given, and but the conditions are given. From these conditions we have to form the linear equations, and we have to solve the equations to find the value of the variable, and we have to use the substitution method. Okay, now let us see that what is the questions given. First question number 3. 1. The question is given, the difference between two numbers is 26 and one number is 3 times the other. Find them. That means we have to find out the two numbers, and for the two numbers, two conditions are given. First condition, the difference between the two numbers is 26. The first condition is this, and the second condition is the one number is the 3 times the other. This is the second condition. From these two conditions we have to find out two equations. At first we will find out the two equations, and then we will solve it by using the substitution method. Then how to form the equations. Now here we have to find out the two numbers, so we will consider two variables for these two numbers. Okay, let two numbers are x and y. For the two numbers we consider two variables x and y, and using these two variables we have to form the two equations. Then what is first condition is given. According to the first condition, given that the difference between two numbers is 26, difference between, then we have to subtract. That means in between these two numbers, one should be larger and one should be smaller. Let us consider x is larger number and y is smaller number. Then we have to subtract the small number from the larger number. Okay, then according to first condition, according to first question, we have to subtract the smaller one from the larger one. The larger one is x and smaller one is y. Okay, the x minus y, the subtraction already we have written. The subtraction, the difference between the two numbers is given 26. That means x minus y equal to 26. And according to substitution method, at first we will find out the value of variable, any one of the variable from these two variables. Okay, now we will find the value of x. And what is the value of x? We have to shift all the term to the right hand side. Here y is given with the x, and we have to shift the term y to the right hand side. Then we will get 26 plus y. Y is here minus sign, y have, so it will be plus. Then we will give equation number 1. And again, what is the second condition is given? The second condition is given that one number is 3 times the other. That means one number, it should be the larger number, and 3 times the other number should be the smaller number, because it is greater than the smaller number. Okay, so one number should be x and the other number should be y. That means x equal to 3y. This is the larger number and y is the smaller number. So if the larger number, how much greater? It is the 3 times of the smaller number. Okay, then we will give this is equation number 2. Okay, now so let's substituting x equal to 26 plus y into, we get what we get. That we have to put the value of x in the equation number 2. This is x is given, the equation 2 is x is x equal to 3y, then we have to put the value of x instead of here. Okay, therefore 26 plus y equal to 3y. What we will get? We have to shift 3y to the left hand side and 26 to the right hand side. Okay, because we have to find out the value of y. Then what we get? Y 3y minus 3y minus 26. 3y have plus sign, so it, if we shift 3y to the left hand side, that it will get minus sign. Okay, and 26 has here plus sign, so it will has minus sign. Okay, then y minus 3y will get minus 2y, and here minus 26, and both the side and both the terms have the minus sign, so minus sign will cancel out. Then we are getting 2y equal to 26. Then what will be the value of y? 26 by 2. The value of y equal to, we will get 13. One number is, we have got one number, and we have to find out the value of x. Down substituting equal to 13 in equation 1 or 2, any one of the equation, we can put the value of y to find out the value of x. Okay, so we get what we get in the equation. We got the equation was, equation of 1 was x equal to 26 plus y. X was x equal to 26 plus y, and we will not put y, we have to put the value of y. Okay, this is 13. Then we get 39. Therefore the two the required numbers, are, sorry, one is 39 and other is 30. Okay, first number is 39 and second number is 30. So by this method, substitution method, we have got the two values, two numbers. Okay, we need to find out the values like this process. Okay, I think you understood and you practice it. Okay, thank you.